Hello, this is just a little quick look at my old train. It's 7745. It's yeah, I don't know the name because I didn't look it up. Yeah, it's old 12 volt I got it when it released in 85, I think, or something like that. No thinking when it come out. Yeah, I will put it in this down there. And it's a little train set I got in the mail from a shop on the Bricklink, power function, and I have turned it over to power function. And yeah, let's drive it. Here it comes. Power functions. Much neater than 12 volt. You have these rails you put in middle of the track. And then you have old big transformers. Like this. You can put in 12 volt, 13 volt, and put in some other stuff. And you turn this around. Let's see here. Yeah, 4.5 volts, and you put that over there, so you will get 4.5 volts. So this is neater. You can drive it. Yeah. Emergency brake, and this is a set that is almost 30 years old, I think. Yeah, 85 was the set on the market, released, and high-speed City Express passenger train set, and I'm missing some of the minifigs. Here is and I played with this much when I was younger, but you can't tell. Yeah, good condition. And little girls, I think, or a boy with a long hair. Yeah, the chef and the cowboy and a girl with short hair, and this is the station, a simple station. And here you go to Paris, Roma, Amsterdam, Hamburg, Wien, Brussels, and let's see the train go round. Yeah, I have the box for the set, and it's, yeah, not good condition. It's workable condition, and yeah, this is my little look at the set 7745, and with power functions, and I like power functions. And yeah, have a nice day. Goodbye.